Welcome back. This is Nick Diagram. We will continue our discussion on solving quadratic equations by using the quadratic formula. In my last video, I discussed about the derivation of the quadratic formula, and now I'm going to give some example using the formula that I have written here. Okay, but you need to know, we have to identify A, which is 2, and then we have B, which is 9, and then we have C, which is 10. Now we are ready to use. We have negative 9, which is B, divided by, plus minus square root of 9 squared minus 4 times multiplied by A, which is 2, multiplied by C, which is 10, divided by 2 times A, which is 2 also. So, then we have negative 9 plus minus square root of 81. 4 times 2 is 8 times 10 is 80, divided by 4. And we have x is negative 9 plus minus square root of 1 is 1 divided by 4. So our x sub 1 now is negative 9 plus 1 divided by 4. 4, not 2. We have negative 8 divided by 2. We have negative 5 divided by negative... sorry for that. Negative 9 plus 1 divided by 4, that is negative 8 divided by 4, that is negative 2. I was computing, my brain is computing while I'm talking and writing. That's why. And then we have negative 9 minus 1 divided by 4. And we have negative 10 divided by 4, that is negative 2.5. Negative 2 and negative 2.5. You can always check your answer. So if you put 2 there, we have 2 squared, that is 4. That is 4 times 2 is 8. Then 9 times negative 2 is 18. So negative 18. So 8 plus negative 18 is negative 10 plus 0 is 0. Then we have 2.5. So if we have 2.5 squared is 6.25 times 2. Then we have 12.5. So 12.5 minus 9 times 2.5. That's negative 2.5, sorry. Then it is not. I will check once again. 2 times 2.5 squared plus 9 times negative 2.5 plus 10. That is, it's 0. So we have the solution, negative 2 and negative 2.5 is correct. Okay, let's try some more. We have 6x minus 1 is equal to 2x squared. Remember that you can only use the quadratic equation if it's look like this. X squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I will put that. So I put that instead here. Now, to transform this equation that we have now, we need to collect everything to the left, to the right hand side. It's alright. Then we have minus 6x plus 1, minus 6x plus 1. This is 0, this is 0. So we have 0 is equal to 2x squared minus 6x plus 1. Then it's alright. you can change the position if you want. You can do this you can write that to the left hand side of the equation and 0 to the right hand side, but it doesn't matter. I hope you understand it by now. So we have A, that is 2, and then we have B, this time is negative 6. You need to remember that even the symbol, the positive or negative symbol, the negative symbol includes, and C is 1. Now we can use the quadratic formula. We have negative, and then we have negative 6 not divided by, plus minus square root of negative 6 squared, parenthesis squared, minus 4 times A, that is 2, times C, that is 1, divided by 2 times 2. 2A is that. Okay, x is equal to negative negative is positive 6 plus minus 6 squared, negative 6 parenthesis 6 squared, that is positive 36, minus 8 divided by 4. So we have x is equal to, what will be 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 8, 36 minus 8, that is 28, 28 square root of 28 divided by 4. Then we have our x sub 1 is equal to 6 plus square root of 28 divided by 4. And x sub 2 is equal to 6 minus square root of 28 divided by 4. If your teacher is very picky, then you need to expand this, or you know that square root of 28 is the same as square root of 7 and 4. That means 2 square root of 7. So if I will write here now 6 plus 2 square root of 4 divided by 4, and then simplify that, then I have here, I will put it here, 6 divided by 4, that is, if we divide both numerator and denominator by 2, then we have 3 plus square root of 4 divided by 2. That is our, and if we do this the same, 6 minus 2 square root of 7, not 4, square root of 7. Square root of 7 there, divided by 4, then I have 3 minus square root of 7 divided by 2. That's my solution. We'll do some more. Let's try this. 2x squared plus x minus 28 is equal to 0. So our A is 2, our B is 1, our C is negative 28. Now I'm not going to give you the quadratic equation. We need to remember U and I. Okay, x is equal to, what will be, negative B. So we have negative 1 plus minus, we have B squared, that is 1 squared minus 4, and A is 2 and C is 28, negative 28, divided by 2 times A, that is 2. X is equal to negative 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus, what is 8 times 28? 4 times 2 times 28. That is 224. Divided by 4. Then we have x is equal to negative 1 plus minus 225 is 15 divided by 4. So our x sub 1 now is equal to negative 1 plus 15 plus, plus 15, so that divided by 4, and that is negative 14, positive 14 divided by 4, that is 7/2, that is 3.5. X sub 2 is equal to negative 1 minus 15 divided by 4, that is negative 16 divided by 4 is equal to negative 4. You can check your the solutions if they are correct. I think I end my discussion, my lecture on quadratic formula there, and I hope you learned something. If you think that you don't really understand everything, all the process that involved in this lecture, watch it once again or do your homework. You need to train. You need to train more, solve more problems. Then we hope that you will, and I hope that you will get better. See you next time. I don't know. The next topic according to your book is nature of roots of quadratic equations. I need to study that first before I will discuss it. See you next time.